Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Japanese yen. Okay. And as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite and one of the most preferred time frame in the forex world. So if we look at the chart, we can see that market was in downtrend. After the market started moving upward, okay, and then market went into a sideways. Okay, market went to sideways kind of pattern. Because if we just concentrate on this particular portion, okay, just forget about the uptrend and the downtrend and just focus on this particular portion. What do you see? We can easily see that market is not having any particular trend. Market is in a tight range here. It's not it. Market is in a tight range here. So whenever we get a situation like this, what do we need to do? First and foremost, if you're looking for a big up move, then you'll have to wait for the market to cross this particular range. Okay, so before discussing the strategies, I would like to take you to the weekly time frame. Okay, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I am a fan of multi-time frame analysis. I love to know the bigger picture. So we can see that after this week's opening, market has formed a doji kind of a pattern. Okay, so still we are not certain where the market will move, but if we look at the previous week's candle, we can see that market has formed a green candle. Okay, market has formed a green candle, and before that market formed a red candle. Okay, there was not much trend. Okay, but one thing that we need to focus here is that market tried to cross this particular resistance level, which market failed, 109.71. So 109.71 is the resistance for the market. Market tried to cross the level for 2 weeks, but market failed. Okay, so we have a resistance level in the weekly chart. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be our strategy. So this level or this resistance, okay, is very important, because we can also see that in the 4 hours time frame also it's a clean chart and we can easily see that it is a resistance in the market. Therefore, okay, our strategy should be simple here. As I've already shown you, market is in a range here. Okay, this is our range and market is trading here 109.23 level. So if you go for a buy here, okay, if you go for a buy here, then your stop loss will be here below this level, and this is your resistance. So this is your take profit target. So your stop loss is bigger than the take profit target, so you are going against the discipline. This trade does not favor the risk to reward ratio, so taking any trade here is wrong. And if you go for a shorting order here, your stop loss will be above this level and your take profit target will be this level. Okay, sorry, this level. But here we can see that market is in uptrend from this particular point. So shorting the market is also not a very wise idea. Then what should be a strategy here? Okay, the strategy is, okay, this is not the correct position to trade here. As I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, here our risk to reward ratio does not match and this is not the area of value. Okay, if market crosses this level, okay, and this is a first trading opportunity, if market crosses this level 109.71 level, then we can go for a buy order. But do remember, market should cross this level with good amount of volume, and when market will be crossing this level, wait for 4 hours and just observe the price and try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market has crossed and right now market is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, then you can go for a buy. Okay, then you get the confirmation that the resistance is equal to support right now. Once the resistance has become the support, you can go for a buy at this level. This is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if market reverses from here, okay, if market reverses from here, just see if the price is being followed by volume. If you see that market has formed a big red candle, or there is a good price rejection from above, then you will get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the market to cross this level. Then you can short the market for quick profit. Okay, for quick profit, 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, not more than that. Okay, and if market comes down to this particular support level from this point onwards at 108.32 level, then also you can get a good opportunity to buy. You can see that previous instances or previous occasions when market came down to this particular support level, okay, it has bounced. So there is a good possibility that if market comes down to this support level, market will bounce. So when market will reach this level, or if market comes down to this level, just observe the price. If you see that price has market has formed a hammer pattern like this, or if price is getting rejected from below, or market has formed a green candle like this, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, 108.32 is still a valid support and you can go for a buy. Okay, and in this chart, 50 moving average is not acting as a support for the market, so 50 moving average is out of the chapter. Okay, so the best trading opportunities in this chart, USD JPY, are at this resistance level or at this support level, and right now market is trading in the middle. So wait for the market to go either towards the upside or downside, then only you will get the opportunity. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and press the thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.